If your dog thinks vitamins are suspicious, wait until you see this. This 23-in-1 dog multivitamin was gifted to me, and I couldn't wait to try it with my dogs. It contains glucosamine, probiotics, and omega fatty acids designed for hip and joint support, immune health, digestion, skin, and heart support. There are 170 chewable vitamins, and they look and smell like treats, not medicine. We have four dogs aging a range from senior to puppy, and I love that they're getting glucosamine for joint health, probiotics for digestive support, and overall daily nutrition. All of our dogs gobble these down. They have no idea they're getting vitamins. If you're looking for a dog vitamin supplement that your dogs will actually eat, these are a great option.